YouTube? It's your boy K-Night Garage. Coming at you. We're gonna try to get this door back on. Got some new hardware. Just came in, so we're gonna see if it fit. The ones that was on here, I repaired, but it was bent. So I just went ahead and ordered new ones. So stay tuned. Let's open up, see what we got. Making sure you don't cross thread these. If it ain't going, pull it out until it goes in smooth, like that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Like that. And I'm not tightening it all the way, just a little bit so I have to play in it. Bottom. Always one screw. Always. don't know if y'all see, but I went and got my drill to make this a little easier. On this side, I'm trying to put it back where you can see where it used to be, so that's my plan. I ain't gonna hit it real hard, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Now here come the hard part. Since I'm by myself, I gotta figure how I'm gonna get this over here. Cause I bought that little door hanger rack or whatever it's called, but that jack I got is too light for it. So I'm gonna figure it out and I'll cut you back on. Don't try this at home. I'm gonna try it. I got one jack here holding the front of the door, and then I got that hanger holding the back, but as you can see, it ain't stable yet. But I got two of them started, so just need one more. So I got the bottom in. Now we just need the top. I'm not tightening none of this up yet. Now I just gotta get this one. Let's see how we move. Like that. Way off. Way off. How can I move this? Let's see if I cut it out. It'll come out. Let it go in. Yep. Almost. Almost. Shit, I might have it. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Look at that. Golly. By myself. By myself. Make sure I don't cross thread it. Yeah. Make sure we don't cross thread. Now, It's a long shot, but I doubt if it's gonna close like it's supposed to. It's a long shot, but once I get them in, I doubt if it's gonna close like it's supposed to. And you notice I ain't coming from this side. Reason why, if something was to happen with this door, it'll cut my hand off. So I'm coming from this way where I got an outlet. Yeah, let's go from this way. There we go. Y'all see what time it is? Can y'all see that? Be working all day. One more. Now, now let's see if I move this jack, will it stay? I hope I got them in. One jack out the way. So far, so good. It's gonna tilt it right here. I'm gonna get out the way in case it falls. And it's on there. But I don't want the lean right now. So I'm gonna come on this end now. Might need to put something on it. Phone or something. Now I'm just gonna jack this side up so it won't be leaning and warp it. So it'll be level. Get my leveler. Now that's level. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. That's level. So now I'm gonna tighten it up and see where we at on closing it. I can find my stuff. I'm using a 11 millimeter, I think. Yeah, 11 millimeter. Crank it super hard because I know I'm gonna have to make some adjustments for it to close. But I want to tighten it where I know it's level. All right, got everything on now. Got my new door hinges on. It's the moment of truth. I just snugged it up. I didn't, snugged it tight, not super crump. But first test, I'm gonna remove this jack. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna remove that jack. We're gonna see if it holds. Okay, step one complete. Next step, I'm gonna close it. It probably ain't gonna close because I'm gonna have to make adjustments, but I just wanted to show y'all how to change them door hinges. But it probably ain't because I gotta line everything back up, but what if I got it on the first try? Let's see. Nope. Nope. So I gotta push it that way. And that's the easy work. Thank y'all for watching. K Knight. Peace. Got it. Now I gotta tighten this back down.